How to cancel ACH payment in Chase. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you are looking forward to a way to cancel out your ACH payment, the first and foremost and the easiest step is to always contact your Chase customer support. You can reach out to customer support via the mobile application of Chase itself or just dial in the toll number of the Chase customer support. After you reach out to the customer service, be ready with your account information. This might include your Chase account number, the last four digits of your ACH payment, and any other relevant detail. Clearly state that you want to cancel out an ACH payment. If you need to, also provide them with a reason for the cancellation, such as change in circumstances. You can share it with the customer service representative. Always mind that the sooner you contact your Chase, the more likely you are to successfully cancel out the payment. And that wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.